Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating development in road construction. Self-healing roads. It's a game changer, really.
Self-healing roads? That sounds incredible. Is this some kind of futuristic sci-fi stuff, or is it actually happening?
Oh, it's absolutely happening. Researchers are using recycled cooking oil, of all things, to create asphalt that repairs itself. Think of it like tiny oil-filled capsules embedded in the road surface. When a microcrack forms, these capsules rupture, releasing the oil to seal the crack. Pretty neat, huh?
Wow, that's ingenious. So how does this actually work on a technical level? I mean, what's the science behind it?
Right, so the key is the bitumen, that sticky black stuff that binds the asphalt. It's prone to oxidation, which makes it brittle and susceptible to cracking. The cooking oil in these microscopic capsules prevents that oxidation, keeping the bitumen flexible and allowing it to self-seal. It's all about preventing those initial microcracks from becoming full-blown potholes.
So it's a preventative measure, not a repair for existing potholes?
Primarily, yes. The research showed complete healing of new microcracks in under an hour. It's not going to magically fix a massive crater overnight, but it significantly extends the road's lifespan. Estimates are around a 30% increase.
30%? That's a huge improvement. What about the cost? Surely this new material is expensive.
That's a great point. Potholes are a massive problem, costing billions annually in repairs. But the beauty of this is that the capsules are made from plant waste, sustainable and relatively cheap. The long-term cost savings from reduced maintenance should far outweigh the initial investment.
I see. So it's both cost-effective and environmentally friendly? That's a win-win. Are there any downsides? Any potential drawbacks to this technology?
Well, it's still early days. Large-scale testing is needed to confirm the lab results in real-world conditions. And there might be challenges in scaling up production to meet the demand for this new asphalt. But overall, the potential benefits are enormous.
Absolutely. This sounds like a truly revolutionary approach to road maintenance. It's amazing how something as simple as recycled cooking oil could have such a significant impact. It's almost poetic, isn't it?
It really is. And it shows the power of interdisciplinary research. This project involves civil engineers, computational chemists, and even input from Google. It's a great example of how collaboration can lead to innovative solutions for real-world problems.
Definitely. It's inspiring to see such a practical application of advanced research. Thanks for sharing this exciting news.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time with more fascinating tech updates. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.